special thing for you. Do you want to see? See, this is a magic box and I have brought some things for you. So now I am showing you some things from my magic box. You observe them properly and give me correct answers. Okay? Have you seen this? Yes, you have seen this in your kitchen. What is it? Yes, you know, it is a piece of lemon. This is a lemon. This is a piece of lemon. Half lemon and full lemon. Now observe properly what I am going to do. See, now I am squeezing the lemon in a glass. See it properly. Now I am squeezing a lemon. What I am doing? I am squeezing a lemon. See, now I have squeezed a lemon. Squeeze means extract juice. Very good. Now I am keeping this piece of lemon again in the magic box. Now I am taking out another object and you tell me what is it. See this properly and tell me what is it. What? It's a ribbon. It's a ribbon. This is a ribbon. Now observe carefully what I am doing with this ribbon. I am making a knot. See, this is a knot. This is a knot. This is a knot. I have made a knot. This is a knot. Now see, again I am making a knot. I have made a knot. It is a knot. See properly. It is a knot. K-N-O-T. Knot. This is a knot. Understood? Very good. Again I am making the knot. See properly. In another way, I know you can make a knot in so many ways. It is also a knot. I have made a knot. Very good. Now I am putting this thing in my magic box. Now I am going to show one more thing. See this thing. What is it? It is a pouch of water. Now I am piercing a push pin. See. I am piercing a push pin. Very good. Are you enjoying what I am doing? I am piercing. I am piercing. So I have pierced this push pin into the pouch. Now I am piercing this push pin in a paper. See properly. I have pierced on a paper. Now I am piercing on my shirt. See. I have pierced. I have pierced it. So this action is called pierce. Now I have two things in my hand. Observe them properly. A needle and a thread. Needle and thread. Needle and thread. This is needle with thread. Now I am first making a knot. See properly. I am making a knot first. See, I am making a knot. Okay. See again. This is my knot. Now this is a cloth. Now with this needle and thread I am going to stitch it. See. See, I am stitching. I am stitching with a needle and thread. See, I am stitching. Stitch, 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 my needle goes. Stitch, 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 my needle goes. I am stitching. This action is called stitch. S-T-I-T-C-H. Stitch. Now see what I am going to take from this magic box. What is it? Very good. It is a glass. I am having another glass also. This is also a glass. But this is empty and this is full of water. Now see. Now I am going to pour water. See, I am pouring water. I am pouring water. Pour. P-O-U-R. I am pouring water. Very good. Now this glass is empty. So what I have done? I have poured water. P-O-U-R. Like this. P-O-U-R. Pour. Very good. We have learned some action words like squeeze, stitch, pour, pierce. These action words we have learnt. Now let me see how much you remember. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Now look at the screen. I will show you one phrase and 3 pictures. You have to choose the correct picture and you have to match them. Okay, are you ready for the game? Ready, Badda? Yes, very good. Then let's play. Read these words. Very good. Stitching a cloth. Now observe the pictures properly. See the picture A. Yes. Picture B and picture C. See properly. In picture A, what she is doing. In picture B, what the girl is doing. And in picture C, which action is there. Observe properly. And now tell me which picture shows stitching a cloth. You are correct. Picture A. In picture A, she is stitching. Like in picture B, she is reading. Picture C shows the action of pouring. Very good. Now is it clear? બધાને સમજાઈ ગયું ને? આપણે આ ગેમમાં શું કરીએ છીએ? ઓકે, તો ચાલો આગળ જઈએ. Very first, read the phrase. What is written? Pouring the water. Very good. Now again, you will see 3 pictures on the screen. Look at them properly. See picture A. Observe them properly, okay? Now see picture B. And now see picture C. Now observe 3 of the pictures properly. Now try to tell me which picture shows the action of pouring the water. Which picture? Picture A. Very good. Picture A shows the action of pouring the water. So picture A shows the action of pouring. In picture B, this person is thinking something. Now what to do with these vegetables? Picture C shows the action of squeezing a lemon. Understood? Very good. Now let's go ahead and see more words and pictures. What is written? Making a knot. K-N-O-T. Making a knot. Now let's see the pictures. Just now I have told you what is knot and I have made a knot and you observed it properly. So now you have to guess from the pictures which picture shows me the action of making a knot. Ready? Let's see the pictures. हाँ, picture A, picture B, and picture C. Observe three of the pictures properly. Which picture shows me the action of making a knot? Picture C. Yes, very good. Picture C shows the action of making a knot. And picture A, you know what she is doing? She is stitching. And in picture B, what that boy is doing? Yeah, he is drawing something. Very good. મજા આવે છે ને બધાને ગેમ રમવાની? બોલો બોલો, બરાબર બોલો, મજા આવે છે? ઓકે, તો હું તમને હજુ ઘણું બતાવીશ. Now let us see which words are coming there. Try to read. Piercing a needle. Piercing. Pierce. That before some time we have seen. What is pierce? P-I-E-R-C-E. Pierce. Right? Now you have to remember it. Try to recall. I am going to show you three pictures and you have to choose the correct picture for action. Pierce. Let us see. Picture A. In picture B, girl is doing something. Picture C. Observe them properly. Try to guess. Think which picture shows me the action of pierce. Yes, tell me how many of you know? Oh, so many students know. Very good, very good. Picture A shows the action of piercing a needle. Very good. Picture B, that girl is reading something very comfortably, right? And in picture C, yes, picture C shows the action of pouring the water. Very good. So you have learnt some action words today. Okay. તો બધાને આ એક્શન વર્ડ શીખવાની મજા આવી? મજા આવી? સરસ. તો આપણે કેટલી બધી એક્શનો કરી આજે? કેટલી બધી એક્શન કરી? યાદ કરાવો મને. યસ, પિયર્સ. વેરી ગુડ. સ્ટિચ. યસ, યુ. વેરી ગુડ, વેરી ગુડ. પિયર્સ. You. What you are telling? Pour. Very good. So we have learnt some action words today. I am having some more words for you and we shall enjoy again. Are you ready? Yes, you are ready for the world of words. Very good. Let's move there. Look what she is doing. She is walking. You are right. And what she is holding in her hand? She has a flag of India. So the girl is holding the flag of India. You know why? Because her nationality is Indian. So she is holding a flag of India. She belongs to India means her nationality is Indian. Nationality Indian. Why? As she belongs to India. Very good. Now let's see the next picture. Ready? Boy is laughing like you. He is very happy. Do you know which country's flag he is holding? Observe properly and try to tell me. You have seen this. Yes. American flag. Very good. He is holding a flag of America.